G'day folks, welcome to the show. Just a short one tonight. I've got some new soft lowers to put on my bike for a ride that I'm doing in winter next year up to Queensland. So come with me while I fit them up. Won't take as long, but let's have a look at them. So roll the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Big Bert. Join me and occasionally my daughter Squirt while we explore the beautiful state of Tasmania. From beautiful oceans and rivers to amazing mountains and everything in between. Come with us for an adventure in this amazing place, the island state. Down under, down under. There's the view of the front of the bike with the crash bars prior to fitting the soft lowers. Let's have a look and see what's in this. Got two sides. Did I mention it was a Kimimoto product? I got it through. So there's the left-hand side one. Pocket at the top. So probably fit a phone if you wanted to. Another pocket to the side there. Also a pocket within the pocket. So loose stuff. Zip up, and then of course the zip up around the side so you can put your highway pegs out, and they're just a plastic clip to hold on. So the left hand side one, this one would be the right hand side one, and it's only got the single pocket, only the same depth so it doesn't go all the way down. Again, plastic clip and the spring loaded clip there to hang anything on that you want to hang on to. So cool, let's get them fitted up, see what they look like. Okay, so we'll get this unclipped, which you can see there. Unclip this, drop that out, slide him over the rack. Hang that round the frame, click him in, zip him up, zip him down, done. How's that? That was just a little bit too easy, and of course it would be exactly the same on the other side. I think he's firm enough. There is a Velcro strap on there that you could tighten that up if you need to, and probably hook those hooks into there. I'll stop them opening up the top and bottom. So there you go, easy as that. Well, let's have a look at it fitted up. Well, I'd nearly have to say that was one of the easiest additions or modifications I've ever put on any bike. On my rating scale, that would be the neck of a stubby. But we'll put it down as one beer because we can't be working on the bike without having a beer. So we'll see how they go. I'll run them in the lead up and see whether they're going to hold up for the task at hand, but I think they'll do the job. They look to be pretty well made, and I'll put the details of the order in the description below, so check that out. Thanks very much for watching, appreciate your time. We'll see you later. I'm going for a beer. Cheers.